Alright folks, we're back. We got the old yard machine up and running. As you can tell, she's looking a little rough from last time. This is where we smoked the tree coming down the hill. Down here is where we smoked it with the stump. As you guys seen in the last video, I was trying to pull the tree. Well, we had to pull her out because she wasn't running. As you can tell, the hood still don't shut all the way. We'll get to that in a couple days. And we noticed that this nice bent bar right here ain't supposed to be bent.
How'd you get that back in place?
I kicked the hell out of it. Just kicked her. She works good now.
What was wrong with her?
As in not firing?
Yeah.
Well, we're guessing from hitting the trees, we bent something underneath. All this new technology with these sensors and crap. You know how it is. Forget sensors. She wasn't letting the fire up. So we beat her with a hammer a few times. Let's see what she'll do, boys and girls. Fire's right up. As you can tell, she starts and moves. We still have no brakes. We're not gonna have any brakes. So, as you guys seen in the last video, we were pulling that tree. I ain't letting you down. We're gonna go pull that tree tonight. And she is coming out one way or another. So stay tuned. We'll upload another video here shortly of me pulling the tree out. So, anyways, as you guys can tell, she does purr a little bit better than my girlfriend's ex, or my ex-old lady. A lot better, actually. We'll catch you back at you.